Hey, what's up everybody? Olsenbro back with another unboxing review. Today I'm super excited because I have an electric bike. This one's from Espin. It is the Nesta model, and I'll put a link in the description with all the information about it. It looks sweet. I'm hoping it'll hold a big fat guy like me. So I'm gonna open it up and we'll check it out. Well, I'm super excited that Espin decided to send me this foldable e-bike. This is their Nesta model, and I have the smoke gray color, but it also comes in a glacier blue color. It's currently available on their website for $14.99, which is a great price for what you get. This bike comes 95% assembled, and it actually comes with all of the tools that you will need to finish the job. The total weight of this bike is 65 pounds, and it comes with a comprehensive 12-month warranty. The Nesta is considered a Class 3 e-bike, which means that it's equipped with a speedometer and can assist until the bike reaches 25 miles per hour. This e-bike can be used with pedal assist or by using the throttle alone. It comes with 20-inch by 4-inch all-terrain tires that come partially inflated. You will need to install the front tire by loosening the nuts on either side to allow some space. Next, remove the yellow plastic protective piece from the brake caliper, and then slide the tire onto the bike fork. Be sure to align the disc rotor with the caliper, then simply tighten the nuts on both sides with the included wrench. To install the front mudguard, remove the existing bolt from the bike and use it to attach the top of the mudguard. Then remove the bolts on either side of the tire and attach the metal rods. The wheelies I'm gonna do. The Nesta comes with aluminum alloy pedals. There is a right pedal and a left pedal, so be sure to locate the R and L markings and install them on the correct side. Start by hand tightening, and then use a provided wrench to tighten them down. Not responsible for any damage, look at that. The front rack is installed using the existing 4 bolts. Make sure the spacers are on the back side to allow room for the wires. The Nesta comes with 2 keys which can be used to lock the battery into place. After charging the battery, turn it to the on position. Next, press the power button on the controls located on the handlebar. The color LED display should turn on and show you the odometer. You can switch between 5 levels of pedal assist by pressing on the plus and minus buttons. To activate the LED light, simply press and hold the plus button. The display will show a light bulb in the upper left-hand corner. To turn the light off, press and hold the plus button again. Son of a gun. That did not go as planned, to say the least. So in the manual it says pump up those tires between 20 and 30 psi, and me being a large guy, I thought I pumped those things up to 30 psi. It works fine on the regular road on asphalt, but when you get out to the desert and you get on some loose rock, having it pumped up that much is not good. It did not provide me adequate traction, to say the least, and I wiped out. Got some scratches, a little bit of blood, but I'm okay, thank goodness. Learned my lesson. So make sure if you're on that kind of loose terrain, you lower the PSI on those things, probably closer to 20 PSI. And since I've done that, I've had no issues at all. So anyway, back to the video. So overall, I'm super happy with the bike. Here are some things that I love about it. Number one, it folds. That allows me to put it in the back of our minivan without even putting down the seats. It fits in the back just fine. I'm able to take it to the park and go play with the kids that way. Number two, it was easy to install. It literally took probably 30 minutes and I didn't even look at the manual. That should tell you something because I'm not that smart. Number three, it's fast. It's got some pickup. So a neighbor of mine happens to have I think it's got a Rad Power Bike 5 is what he has. And when we compared them side by side, there was no comparison. Now his is older and he's got a lot of miles on his, so that may have something to do with it. Even though the Nesta has smaller tires, it takes off. It has much better acceleration and overall was faster. His bike may have been limited by the factory, I'm not sure. I think his went 20 or 22 miles per hour, where this Nesta has gone up to 28, 29 miles per hour. So at first I was kind of worried about it being a little small for me. I was going to get the Nero, their Nero model, which is a little larger, has the bigger tires. They're both 750 watt motors, and I think they have a lot of the same specs, but it was on back order, so I got the Nesta instead. I look forward to hopefully checking out that Nero and doing a little comparison in the future. So if that interests you, comment down below and let me know, and maybe Espin will hear you and send me the Nero to check out too. So as far as the battery goes, I've had no issues with that battery. On the website it says the Nesta can go up to about 40-mile range, 20 to 40 miles depending on the terrain, depending on your weight, you know, if you're going uphill or not. Me being a large guy, I was kind of worried how far I would get, and I've averaged around 30 miles per charge. Charges overnight, I guess charges in about 6 hours. I never sit there and watch it and see how long it actually takes, but do it overnight, just charged up just fine, and I actually don't have to charge it for a week at a time. I'm not going 30 miles a day by any means, but awesome battery life. So that about wraps it up. Any comments, questions, put it in the comment section below. Right now, the Nesta is on sale on the website. It normally sells for around $1,600. It's on sale for about $1,500, $1,499. And if you use the link below in the description, it's actually an affiliate link of mine, and it will get you an extra $50 off your purchase. So check it out. Again, thanks so much for your support. Any comments, questions, comment below. Have a great day. See ya.